There was like some glitch on the arenas, and when I read the Yelp, it was like it said.
Yo, out here.
What
Got the boy Kev in town.
It's the boy
from the East Side, Jersey.
El Gordito on his second meal today.
Ah, you already know. I got Christian. You already know there's Mirna, of course.
Vlog style, right quick.
Yeah, it's a quick little one. Pat forgot his wallet, so you know where he's at.
About to go get some grub right quick. You know what it is.
Yup.
Beautiful Cali sunset.
Yup.
It's not a normal day unless Patrick forgets something.
Uh-huh. We were already just waiting on him, too. Pat, come on, bruh.
Yeah.
Rental Jones.
Hey, this is clean, though.
Yeah, I like these.
Nice. This is the one we were looking at first.
Oh, leather.
Oh, it's pretty quick, too. I just don't like the steering because it's electric.
Oh, this is electric?
Yeah, so like if you do a slight turn, it... Here, get Pat running.
Get him.
Let me zoom on him.
Quick. Make sure you're recording.
It is.
Okay, that.
He's blown.
Alright, I'll see y'all later.
So yeah, we're going. Mirna's got a refeed meal today, a little burger. She in class 2 right now still. Multitasking.
So
We're just giving you a glimpse. You can see the food in a second when we get there. Check it. Little lammy. Oh, it's dark.
Alright, what's going on?
So we're in a rush to leave because they don't have burger meat. And it's a cheat day for you, burger day. So
No burger.
We kept the drinks, of course. Pat crushed the soup. So now we're getting ready to head out, and I was chugging my drink because we're about to leave. Come to find out, you're supposed to put the shot of gin in there before you even get started. So my organic gin is sitting here, and I just drank lemonade. Or chugged lemonade.
Are you about to take it back?
So now, no, it's me.
Oh shit.
Ooh.
It's gonna work out.
How is that?
Tastes weird.
Tastes weird.
What's your bandage holding up?
Pretty good.
Apparently, just so y'all know out there in the blog world, she's not recording.
It's like makes me. I can
Just
still
so y'all
function
know,
with it. If I need
apparently
to use
there's
it,
a beef
I can
shortage.
like usually I'm like
in the
this. But
US
this one
right
like it
now.
feels good.
And if you had the
According
bandage,
to
it's
this
kind of
restaurant.
open. So you see
Open. Yeah.
All right, man. You know
Criticism for true food.
I'm not one to complain. I don't be complaining because people think you're trying to get free stuff. I ain't about that. But constructive criticism, as a server, you should know what you don't have for the night.
Right.
You start off going to the table, by the way, tonight we don't have burgers.
Right.
Would have saved us $50 in about 45 minutes.
Right.
Because we came for burgers.
Right.
Just so you know.
And told us
what's this
after
place
the
called?
fact. True food.
True food, just so you know.
Constructive criticism.
Y'all gotta,
From
y'all
Christian.
gotta do a little better with that.
He worked at fine dining.
But we going to Kettner
Aldo's.
now, boy. We about to get that double burger.
Yes, sir. Say no more. Right, Tweety?
Yep.
We're here for the burgers.
Hey, boys is in the back.
boys in the back. Going to get ground beef and shot.
It's a nice night out, man.
Yeah, it feels good.
Get it all. Get it in.
Yeah, it's a nice night out, bro. One time in July, and then, like, came out for dinner with a short skirt. Yeah. You got reservations?
Yeah, 9 o'clock. Under me. We had the keks. Uh-huh. Hey.
You got it?
Pretty. What do you guys say?
So, we're at Kettner Exchange. I'm about to get a burger,
Yeah.
some fries,
Yeah.
and enjoy and eat.
Yes.
Because, so I had my check-in today, and pretty much with the progress that I had with my check-in, at first, like last Saturday's check-in, she said I have to wait to lose 3 more pounds, but today was like really good. So she's giving me my refeed meal today. And that is why we went from one restaurant to this one. Because the last one didn't have the burger. But yeah, I'm excited.
Funny for that shit.
And then she came through and gave Sid a free drink because it was his birthday.
Yeah, I remember that.
Where's that at?
Hot oil seared salmon.
That's
regular order of fries, man, because I love eating fucking.
Bro, I'm not gonna eat all of this, bro.
This is my burger.
I wanted a burger. I promise you.
Alright, well, good luck, Sam.
I just had a whole ass steak, dog.
Yeah, get down and dirty, Vato.
I ate a ribeye before this, so you know how to get the. Hold up, let me show them. Ooh yeah.
Alright,
You know
good.
Okay, how was it? It's good. It's good, huh?
I mean, I got the salmon.
Yeah, no, I mean, overall, it's pretty
It does look good.
good. It is pretty good.
Yo.
Hello. Happy Thursday. Today is August, hold on, got a notification. August 12th, and yeah, it's Thursday.
Yep. Thursday is what? Off day.
It's my low carb day. I already went to the gym earlier to do some fasted cardio, but now I am making my breakfast, as you already saw in the video,
Yep.
and taking my supplements afterwards. But I did get my Force of Nature meat package that I said I was going to show you guys in the last video. So
That'll be interesting to see.
I'll open it up over here in a sec, unless you got anything else to say.
Nah, I'm just eating my breakfast sandwich, getting my little Celsius on to get the day going. I got some work to finish up, and then yeah, see what the weekend brings. See what that weekend brings. See what that weekend brings.
Okay, so Force of Nature box. I was kind of like confused why they put this in the parcel room and not in front of my doorstep, just because it has meat in it. But still haven't opened it, so I don't know how this is packaged. Let's see. This is how it looks like when you open it. You get this Force of Nature packet. I don't really know what's in it, but it's probably like a thank you. Yep, thank you. And then it kind of tells you the story about them. Yeah. So pretty much like Force of Nature, they do it the more like organic type of way and more ethical. So the way that they do it, I think it's called like regenerative agriculture. So pretty much it represents their relationship to nature, as well as like just doing it the right way, you know. But more on that later. All right. Oh, okay. I feel like they're all thought out. They actually are all thought out.
Is that are those freezer?
No, so this is all just foam. None of this is freezer. I mean, it's cold, definitely.
So what is there? There gotta be an ice pack at the bottom.
No, there's no ice packs.
What?
Hold on.
How dare they?
Yes, no ice packs. So can they see the inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's like no ice packs. They definitely thought out though. Like they were probably like
Frozen.
or chilled or whatever. But
So they figured those were the ice packs themselves.
yeah. All right, so I'm gonna take this out and kind of show you what I got. But give me one sec, because I'm like
sec.
on my tippy toes right now.
Tippity tippy donut toes. Ooh.
Okay, hold on.
Down. Good boy, my buddy. Step. Down. Good boy. You okay? On treat. On one. Let's go. Let's go. Boy, you're crazy, boy. Want one? Easy?
Okay.
Want a treat?
I am ready.
Let's go. Oh, she's ready. Oh wait, can you get Cookies a treat?
Oh yeah.
Probably
GC.
a greenie.
Oh, greenie?
Yeah. Because I gave him one of those. Ow.
Yeah, you're funny. I can't even reach it.
He's a happy boy.
I can't reach it.
Oh, excuse me. What? For the rescue!
To the rescue. You're so annoying.
Sorry for the camera shake. Hey.
Thanks. You rescued me. Go GC! You want a green? You want a green? Let's cut this.
He's doing this. Spins. Good boy.
So these are like too big for him.
Yeah, so we break them up. These are for like how many pound dogs?
25 to 50. He's only
Cochise
like
is
10.
about 10, 11.
Cochise, don't you? Lay down. Down. Good. Up. Good boy.
Good boy, buddy.
Alright, here we go. Okay, so back to this. So I got the 12 pack of their ground bison ancestral blend. This one has ground bison, bison liver, and bison heart. Just really wanted to try this. These are all 14 ounces. So, I mean, they're kind of on the pricier side. They're about $12 each. But, yeah. Anyways, their nutrition is pretty good. You know, not too bad. I know all of them, it says they're mixed in with a little bit of... Just kidding. No, they're not. This one is, I think. Let me see. Nope. I guess the venison.
One sec.
Okay.
Gee.
But yeah, so I ended up getting a pack of 12 of the ground bison ancestral blends, and then just a couple more to get the free shipping. But I ended up also getting ground wild boar for Charles, so he can try it out. And then ground venison. These are 16 ounces, so they're a bit bigger. And the ground venison is mixed in with a little bit of ground beef. I think it just, I guess, helps it.
Yeah, so it's not as dry.
But yeah, I've never tried these. I'm gonna try it out soon once I finish up the ground beef that's in the fridge. But once I do, I'll like link up the recipe and let you guys know how it tastes. I got this idea from another bikini competitor. She put it on her YouTube, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it is. But this is like maybe a month and a half worth of meals for one of my meal.
Yummy.
Yep. Okay. Bye. Okay, so I had to look up how to recycle this, but pretty much it even says it on the cart, like the packaging. It's green stuff foam, and so you just remove the plastic part, the film, recycle it, and then you dissolve in water, compost, or burn the foam panels. So we're gonna try it because, yeah, it says it's safe. It's safe for seawater, freshwater. Yeah. Check it out. I also have a weird habit of like recycling. So, you know, we live with a roommate, and then whenever somebody comes over who's like not really used to recycling, like, you know, my recent family members, they would like throw this plastic in the trash can, and then I'd have to like go in the trash can and dig it out and put it in the recycling bin, because why would you throw it in the trash can, you know? But that's just me. Let's see it dissolve. That's cool. That was pretty cool.
Hit it.
Okay, so a quick update. I posted the Force of Nature in my story, and they saw that the meats were thawed out, as you guys like heard in the video earlier, and pretty much like they responded back and they were asking about if they came thawed out like that or if I thawed them out. I told them, I was like, no, that's how they came. They asked me if they were like warm or cool to the touch, so let them know. And pretty much like their customer service was really good
On
in
point.
response back to my Instagram posts, because they even were like letting me know how to check for freshness, smelling them, the color, and then you know, they said if there's anything that appears to be off, let us know and we will get you taken care of. So customer service on point.
5 stars.
5 stars review for that. I just wanted to add that in just to make sure, you know.
I mean, now that they mention it, I smell a little tinge
No, you don't.
of like funky. So we'll have to get a fresh
No, he
box.
doesn't.
I'm just kidding. Look at these boys in the back. What are y'all? Look at these fools. Shabu.
Pineapple under the sea.
Absorbent and yellow and porous is he.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
And nautical nonsense is something you wish.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Then drop on the deck and flop like a fish.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Appreciate my homie for the SpongeBob theme song. Deuces, y'all.
Hey, happy Tuesday. Today is August 17th, and originally I was gonna end this video with a workout video, like a workout thing, but that didn't happen. So this is where I'm getting to. I have to make some ground bison for one of my meals that I have to have in like about an hour. So I took one of the ground bisons out of the freezer. I'm gonna try it out with some spices and pretty much let you guys know how it tastes. Gonna let you also know what spices I put in, so you know, if it ends up tasting bomb, you guys can try it. If it doesn't, don't try it. But I can get started.
Still on.
Yeah,
Damn, look at my hair.
it's pretty bad. Does this look good? Still looks good?
Yeah. Ground bison. Plus it's vacuum sealed too.
Yeah, actually. Alright, let me turn this on. I can't see it. You want to say something?
Yeah, she's about to hook up some ground bison. Stay tuned.
So like I mentioned before in the video, the ground bison, the one I ordered, is the ancestral blend. It has both the ground bison plus the bison heart and bison liver. It's actually coming apart pretty easily. Alright. So you can see it's pretty easy to come apart.
This is juicy.
Alright, so seasonings. I am not gonna tell you how many teaspoons or tablespoons because I just like eyeballing it and season it how I like it.
Right.
But I don't put any onions or garlic with it because I think that's just like added grams. So all I use is like the onion powder, garlic powder. I'm gonna add in, hold on, onion powder.
Is it a good old salt and pepper?
Hold on, not yet. Oh yeah, you can salt and pepper it. Garlic powder. Oh, this one has garlic and a little bit of parsley in there. You can see the mix. That's the salt and pepper.
Yep.
Mainly salt.
Salt and pimiento. Which is pepper.
Don't put too much. Alright, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna add in some cumin. Can you mix that one?
Start turning into a big old burger patty.
Yum. It's gonna be my next cheat meal is a whole pack of bison. I'm just kidding though. Alright, so cumin. I'm gonna add in some coriander. It doesn't look as much as I'm shaking, I promise. It's kind of like soft. Let's see, some cinnamon. Everything is organized in like alphabetical order over here, so that's why I'm starting off with the C's.
Yeah. I'll show you in a sec. Spice organized.
Let's see, cinnamon. I'm gonna put in some nutmeg. A little bit. And turmeric. Why not? A little bit. I actually have turmeric supplements in the morning, so just added, I guess. What else? What else would be good?
Onion.
I already put onion powder. And
Probably it.
I would put cardamom,
Red pepper
but
flakes.
no. I would put cardamom, but I only have the seeds and I don't feel like browning some up right now. You can see, I have the pods.
Missing anything?
I don't know. Hold on, let me check my other spices up here.
I'll be happy to taste. Oh, it's not hot. Oh, you should have put some garlic in there.
I said I didn't want to just because of the extra grams. That's why I put garlic powder.
Hey.
Oh, because it's
Whatever.
tracking me.
Well, they snooze, they lose. Oh, just
Okay. Trying it first.
Get one. Let me see.
Let me cancel the track.
Not bad. Flavorful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's good flavor?
Mm-hmm. Good beef.
Okay. Let me try a little bit. Because I need to track the rest.
Pretty good.
I feel like it does have a livery taste though.
A little bit.
A little bit.
It's good though.
Yeah. It's good. I would recommend maybe add some more salt if you like more of the flavor to come out, but
Or some onions.
or some, yeah, onions, garlic, the normal stuff, but you know, in prep you're kind of limited. So it's good. Give it 10 out of 10. Not bad. And I'm gonna put my meal together and just let this video end. So our next video is gonna be on what I eat in a day, because I feel like a lot of the times you guys see me eating, it's when I'm eating a burger. And I don't eat a burger every day. That's usually on my refeeds, and that's only if she allows me to. So then on that day, once I do my what I eat in a day, he'll do what he eats in a day, and so you guys get to see kind of like the differences. I guess while I'm on prep and he's eating. So other than that, we'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that fun stuff.